Hi everyone, welcome back with the third regular Sudoku. And this regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, November the 11th, 2020. We have had 3 regular Sudokus, and the first one and the second one I have already solved. So this one, a killer Sudoku aka Sudoku Mix, will be number 1870. So let's get started. And I look for one sharing box in the big squares. I see here a big square but with 2 sharing boxes with another big square. So there are no one sharing box in the big square. Can we see here the rows with only one sharing box? No. I see here 2 rows with one sharing box. So here supposed to be also one sharing box. Alright. Do we have columns with only one sharing box? I see here the middle column with 2 sharing boxes. So, and here 2 columns. 2 columns. Yeah, 2 columns. Then I will know this. So that will be also an option. But so I need to count twice times 45. You know, the total sum of a big square is 45. The total sum of a row is 45. The total sum of a column is 45. And 2 columns will be 90. Alright. Let me see. Let me see. We have here the box of 7. And the box of 17 is always with one possibility. That's the 8 plus 9. Here the box of 16, one possibility is the 9 plus 7. So we have a 9 in this big square, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be an 8 and this should be a 9. Alright, we have boxes with only one solution. Box of 3 is 2 plus 1. Box of 16, 9 plus 7. Box of 4, 3 plus 1. Box of 4, 3 plus 1. So we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. I cannot place a 3 in a box of 6, otherwise double 3 is not allowed. So the 3 could be here or could be there. I cannot place the 3 in a box of 13, otherwise the solution will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Maximum is 9, so the 3 should be here. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 in this triple box. Alright, so we have a few numbers now. Do we have more boxes with only one solution? Yeah, box of 16. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place a 9 in the box of 9. Otherwise, 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is not allowed. So the 9 should be here. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 7 and this should be a 9. Alright. So 9. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes, and I cannot place the 9 in the box of 12. Otherwise, it will be 9 plus 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so this is not the solution. The solution should be the 9 in the last box. Here in the box of 13, 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 7. 1 and 8, 1 and 5. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. In the box of 6, the solution will be 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Alright. 9, 8 plus 1. 8 plus 2. Okay. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here already a 9, no 9, then 9 should be there. The 9 in the box of 11, so this should be a 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. And 2, yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. I cannot place a 2 in the box of 12. Otherwise, 2 plus 10 will be the solution. 10 is not the is not allowed. So the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. In the box of 9, the solution will be 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. The other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. In the box of 13, we have a 5 here, so this should be an 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. One number left in this column should be the number 4. 4 is missing, yes, in this column. So in the box of 13, the combination will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. And I cannot place an 8, of course, in a box of 8. So the 8 should be there and the 2 goes here. The combination here in the box of 9 will be 8 plus 1. Here the combination in the box of 8 will be 2 plus 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 4 and 7. If I place the 4 here in the box of 12, then the combination will be 4 plus 8. We already have an 8 in this row, so the 4 cannot be here. The 4 should be there, so automatically the 7 goes in there. So in the box of 10, the combination will be 4 plus 6. Here in the box of 12, the combination will be 7 plus 5. Alright, so, and now Alright. The neighbors are annoying me. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. The combination in the box of 12 will be 4 plus 8. Let me mark them for you, 8 and a 4. And then one of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We see here 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 4. If I place the 7 here in the box of 11, then the combination will be 7 plus 4. And look, the 4 is already used. So I cannot place the 7 here. The 7 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. And I cannot place a 3 in a box of 11. Then the combination will be 3 plus 8 will be 11. The 8 is already used. We have an 8 here. So the 3 should be here in the box of 5. The combination will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. The other two numbers should be 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. One number left in the second row for the number 9. No, 8. 8 is missing. Alright. 3 missing numbers, 6, 5, and the 3 is missing. We see here the 5 and a 6, 6 and a 5. So no 6 and a 5 here. The 6 and the 5 goes in there. And you know I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Double 5 is not allowed. So the 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. One number left. Should be the 3. In the box of 10, the combination will be 6 plus 4. We have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. 3 numbers left. The 2 is missing in this row. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 11. The combination will be 2 plus 9. We already have a 9. So the 2 cannot be here. The 2 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 8 and 3. Need to mark them, 8 and 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 is missing. No, yeah, the 2 is missing. Then the combination in the box of 9 will be 2 plus 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 3, 1. 3, 1, and a 4 is missing. 3, 3. Well, alright. We have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 4. 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. I see here 3, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 could be here or could be there. I see here 1, so the 1 cannot be here, so the 1 could be here or there. 1 and 4, so that means this should be a 3. 1 and 4 cannot be placed here. The 1 and the 4 should be here 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. If I use a 4 here in the box of 7, then the combination will be 4 plus 3. The 3 is already used. So this is not the solution. The solution should be the 1. And this should be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. This should be 1 box left. Here should be the 4. 3 missing numbers now. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left now. The 1 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. The box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. The triple box of 11, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8, and this should be a 3. We have a 7 there, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 4 is missing, yes. 4 is missing in the box of 9. The combination here will be 4 plus 5. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. No, 6. We have 8 is missing. 8 is missing, yes. 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 6, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Here the combination in the box of 10 will be 1 plus 9. Here the combination in the box of 7 will be 5 plus 2. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. It's not a difficult one. No. Difficult one, I need more than 25 minutes, I think. Yes. This one I like. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button, people, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye for now, and see you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional